Hey there, class kickers. This is Brian from Ball Guys High, and today I'm talking about, yes, you guessed it, ChatGPT. I'm going to pull it up on the screen here, just in a couple of these shorts. I want you to catch this. It's so cool. A lot of schools are blocking this right now, and there's reason for people to be fearful. Actually, there's no reason for them to be fearful, but I want to talk about in special areas like PE, art, music, right? There are all sorts of ways we can use chatbot to give us information, to connect with kids, to give them examples, right? So, or even just to change things up. They might not see, or you may not see, how this could be used. So I asked, how does it help us improve physical fitness? So AI powered fitness apps, keeping track of metrics and setting goals. So you can pull this up just really quickly, but what if I just pasted this in while it's going? How can AI help kids improve their um, artistic creativity? And so we actually can, I didn't even change the question, right? Like I could have asked it something like, where are there tools on the internet, or list me 10 tools that can help kids improve their artistic skills, right? To help them draw better, and it will spit them out. Or you can even ask it, can you give me a lesson plan using online tools that would help me to teach kids basic concepts of design? And it'll spit out a list of things. So really, when you think about this as a planning tool, as a conversation or engagement or lesson design tool, it's all up to how you can come up with the ideas, the input. It's no different than the argument from the calculator back in the 80s when I was a little children, isn't that you still needed to understand the basic idea of math or whatever behind it to put those questions in. And that's where you as an educator come in and take over as a professional. You know what questions to put in there and what to ask it, and that's where you're going to get the best information out of it to use in your class. So I hope that helps you. And if you are using ChatGPT in any of these special areas, I'm kind of lumping them all together here, but I'm curious, how are you using it? How is it helping you engage your students and get them involved with driving the learning and really bringing some freshness to what we're doing in the classroom? Drop that down in the comments. I would love to hear it. Hit me up on Twitter. A lot of these videos are going to be going out there, and I'm just curious, like, what are we using this thing for, and how can we leverage it instead of being fearful of what kids will use it for? Why don't we lead and show them what the awesomeness could be? All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one.